Hi, good morning. This is Mayur from Good for Nothing Humanity. Hope you're all doing great and taking care of yourself. Do you think long term wealth is built by focusing on short term noise or staying invested for long term when volatility becomes headlines? Markets may fluctuate, currencies may weaken, and headlines may turn cautious. But beneath this noise, India is quietly building a growth story. Now, due to subdued earnings, stretched valuations, weakening rupee, and geopolitical tensions, it all points out to short term volatility. But it is not a breakdown for India. This situation may create panic or chaos in the minds of students, investors, small and medium business. But let me tell you, India is going forward and working on long term. It is India's decade. So here are 7 reasons why I call this India's decade for the next 10 to 15 years. So here is the first one, demographic. India has a large and big population, specifically working age population, which supports consumption, productivity and savings. Now, if skills and employment go hand in hand, this demographic dividend will yield great results for India in coming years. Second, infrastructure pros. Government is spending huge amount of money on roads, railways, ports and logistics that improves efficiency and also reduce cost for business. Combine this with private investment, it will have a multiplier effect on India's growth engine. Third, formalization of economy. GST, digitization and compliance reforms are shifting everything from informal to formal sector. Now this will help to increase tax collection, also help in credit boost and also increase productivity that will improve the efficiency and help India grow for long term. Fourth, manufacturing. Global firms are diversifying their supply chains away from China and to other countries, and India can be a great beneficiary. Now, due to PLI scheme and large domestic market, it can help India to increase export and also help India to increase manufacturing in the domestic market. Fifth, digital push. There's a lot of push from the government regarding digital infrastructure, from UPI to Aadhaar to digital locker. It helps businesses to reduce transaction cost and improve delivery services, and this also enables financial inclusion, innovation and scaling of businesses in the long term. Sixth, rising credit leverage. Now this is very important because if you look at credit to GDP ratio for India is very low compared to other countries. This can be increased by banks, non-banking financial corporation and other lending institutions that can help increase credit in the market, that will also help improve consumption and increase investment, that is really beneficial for the India's growth. And seventh, last but not the least, startup. Let's not forget the startup is the backbone for India's growth story. From creating job, innovation and global competitiveness, startup is acting as an accelerator for India's growth story. So I think these are the 7 most important factors that clearly indicates that it's India's decade. So if you stay invested for long term and just avoid the noise that is happening in the market, you can really benefit as a student, as a businesses and as an investor. I hope this information was useful. If you love this video, like, keep sharing. Until then, keep punching.